Read about the professor who knew too much and find out if he knew enough. I first met Private Quelch at the training depot. ट्रेनिंग डिपोट माने जो जगह ट्रेनिंग दिया जाए है गोटे जगह अच्छा ए मैन इज लायबल टू एक्वायर इन हिज फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ आर्मी लाइफ फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ आर्मी लाइफ रे गोटे लोकटे कौन पाइबो हैला कौन पाइबो टुगेदर विथ हिज यूनिफॉर्म राइफल एंड इक्विपमेंट एटा तो पाइबो बुझिबेल आ कौन पाइबो ए निकनेम गोटे निकनेम पाइबो गोटे डाक नाटे से पाइबो बुझिपारल सो एनीवन हु सॉ प्राइवेट क्वेल्च ओके लिखी कौन लैंकी स्टूपिंग फ्राउनिंग थ्रू horn rimmed spectacles understood why he was known as the professor ताकू प्रोफेसर डका हला बुझ परछो सो से देछि लैंकी देखिबा सो ताकू कोन डका हला प्रोफेसर हैं सेथि पई ताकू प्रोफेसर डका हला से कोन थिला डेंगा को पतला थिला लैंकी राइट अच्छा तापरे स्टूपिंग हो फ्राउनिंग टा कोन गोटे ता मुहटा केमती माने फ्राउनिंग थ्रू द हॉर्न रिम्ड माने हॉर्न रे तैयारी ये जो तार जो रिम टा जो स्पेक्टाकल्स तार जो रिम टा माने रिम कोन है जो चारि पाख है सेटा हॉर्न सिंह रे तैयारी हला हैं सेही बाटा अनेबो इमते अनेबो पूरा हला तोरा टिकरी हला फ्राउनिंग थ्रू हॉर्न रिम स्पेक्टाकल्स हला से बाटे हला तेणु सेटा देखिले जे कहबो एनीबॉडी अंडरस्टूड व्हाई ही वाज नोन एज द प्रोफेसर ता कंबाइंड डका होता दोज हु हैड एनी डाउट्स ऑन द सब्जेक्ट लॉस्ट देम आफ्टर 5 minutes conversation with him those who had any doubts on the subject okay those who had any doubts on the subject right subject upare se joda padutile hela so those who had any doubts on the subject okay so tankar jodi on the subject mane why he was called the professor hela padutile ne joda why they were called the he was called the professor why he was called the professor so those who had any doubts on the subject lost them out tankar doubt rahibani they will lost them after 5 minutes conversation with him 5 मिनिट ता संग कथा होला परे से जोटा तांकर डाउट्स थिबो सबु क्लियर हे जो नै कि those who had any doubts on the subject जदि किछि डाउट्स थिबो से डाउट्स गुडा से हरै देबे lost them बुझबरछ माने से लॉस करिवे काहाकू से डाउट्स को हैं बुझबेलो I remember the first lesson we had in musketry hela musketry माने art of using the infantry soldiers handgun I remember the first lesson we had in musketry. Seita gote lesson now. Hela handgun upare we stood in an attentive circle attentive समस्ते मन देकी शुणुथिलु while a sergeant a man as dark and sun dried as resins ମାନେ dark କଳା ଲୋକଟା ଏବଂ and sun dried as resins okay so mainly କଳା ଲୋକଟା wearing northwest frontier ribbons ସେଇଟା से तामाने नॉर्थ वेस्ट प्रोविंस इन ब्रिटिश इंडिया रे से काम करथला बोली हला से गोटे से रिबन पिनथिला फ्रंटियर नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटियर रिबन्स से पिनथिला डिस्क्राइब द मेकानिजम्स ऑफ ए सर्विस राइफल ओके गोटे सर्जेंट जी कि या सब तार कलर या वेयरिंग दिस या पिंधितिला ए रिबन्स ये से कौन कला से डिस्क्राइब दी मेकानिजम्स है केम चालुची ओके सर्विस राइफल टा केमती चालुची बोली देखौतला हला द मजल वेलोसिटी और स्पीड एट व्हिच द बुलेट लीव्स द राइफल ओके सो एगुड़ा सब मजल वेलोसिटी माने सेटा बुझे देछि कोन ना और स्पीड एट व्हिच द बुलेट लीव्स द राइफल दैट इज द मजल वेलोसिटी he told us कोन कहला से हमको द मजल वेलोसिटी और द स्पीड एट व्हिच द बुलेट लीव्स द राइफल इज वेल ओवर 2000 फीट पर सेकंड 2000 फीट पर सेकंड इतने स्पीड से जाउची बोली से कहला हला ए वॉइस इंटरप्टेड गोटे से पिलाटे हेतळकू कहला कोन कहला माने प्रतिवाद कला कौन से प्रतिवाद कला 2440 फीट पर सेकेंड ये जस्ट गोटे 2000 कहला अप्रोक्सीमेटली हैला ये करेक्ट कथाटा कहला 2440 फीट पर सेकेंड हैला एटा किए कहला इट वाज द प्रोफेसर हैला दैट्स राइट द सर्जेंट सेड विदाउट enthusiasm विदाउट enthusiasm माने एते आग्रह न देखै कि से कहला दैट्स राइट एंड वेंट ऑन लेक्चरिंग कहि चलला when he had finished he asked us questions and perhaps in the hope of revenge जेमति से रिवेंज नवा को चाहूची in the hope of revenge he turned with his questions again okay and again to the professor he turned with his questions se taadu khali buligi jauthala hela again and again to the professor he turned with his question pencil ना आउ थर थर पचारिया turned with his questions बुझबेलो थर को थर पचारिया हैं again and again to the professor खाली प्रोफेसर को पचाला the only result was to enhance the professor's glory हैला तेणु किछि हो नथला खाली प्रोफेसर रो ग्लोरी बढ़ुतला बुझि परछो that was the only result प्रोफेसर रो चाहिदा बढ़ुतला से तो आंसर दे दोतला हैला technical definitions the parts of a rifle its use and care hela he had them all by heart so he had them all by heart माने से सब मन रखला the sergeant asked कौन पचला have you had any training before have you had any training तोर कुछ ट्रेनिंग नहीं थिलु की the professor answered with a phrase that was to become familiar to all of us. Professor answered, se answer dela with a phrase. ଗୋଟେ phrase କହିକିରି ସେ କହିଲା, ଗୋଟେ phrase ଟେ କହିଲା, that was to become familiar to all of us. ସେ ଏମିତି କଣ ପାଇଁ କହିଲା? କଣ ପାଇଁ କହିଲା? ନା that was to become familiar. ସେ familiar ହବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା। ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ that was to become familiar to all of us. ହେଲା? ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଜାଣୁ ବୋଲି ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା। No, Sergeant. It's all a matter of intelligent reading. ହେଲା? So କଣଟା ସେ ଆମକୁ ଜଣେଇଲା ଯେ ସେ ଏଇଆ ବୋଲି ସେ କହିଲା ମୁଁ intelligently reading କରେ। No, Sergeant. It's all a matter of intelligent reading. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? ମାନେ ଭଲ କି ପଢେ ଆଉ ଦେଖିକିରି ଆଉ ହେଲା। That was our introduction to him. ହେଲା? ମାନେ ସେ ଏମିତି ଆମକୁ introduce କରେଇଥିଲା। ହେଲା? We soon learned more about him. ଆହୁରି ବହୁତ କଥା ତା ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିଲୁ। He saw to that. ହେଲା? We soon learned more about him. He saw to that. ହେଲା? He saw to that. ମାନେ he meant to get on. He told us. Okay? He saw to that. ମାନେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିଲୁ ସେ ସେଇଭଳିଆ। He meant to get on. He told us. Okay? He meant to get on. He told us. ମାନେ get on ମାନେ କଣ? Okay? He saw to that. He meant to get on. ତେଣୁ ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ସେ କଣ? He told to ମାନେ I think he was trying to learn. Okay? ମାନେ ସେ କଣ? ମୁଁ କଣ କହିଲି? He meant to get on ମାନେ ସେ କଣ? କଣ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି? ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ନାଇଁ କି? ମାନେ ତୁ ଉନ୍ନତି କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ହେଲା? ଆଉ କିମ୍ବା ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଚଳିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। କାହା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ? Get on to their friends. ହେଲା? He told us. Okay? Get on to their friends. ହେଲା? ଆଚ୍ଛା। He had the brains. He was sure to get a commission. ହେଲା? ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଆର୍ମି ଅଫିସର। କମିଶନ ମାନେ ଆର୍ମି ଅଫିସର। To get a commission. Before long ମାନେ ଜଲ୍ଦି। Soon. As a first step, he meant to get a stripe. First ଗୋଟେ band ସେ ପାଇବ। Stripe ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ band ପାଇବ। ହେଲା? V-shaped band ଗୋଟେ। ହେଲା? As a first step, he meant to get a stripe. Stripe. ଗୋଟେ V-shape ର band ପାଇବ to indicate the rank of a soldier. ହେଲା? In pursuit of his ambition, ସେ ଯୋଉ ଆଗକୁ ବଢିବ ambition ତାର ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ, he worked hard. କାମ କଲା। We had to give him credit for that. He borrowed training manuals. ପଢିବାକୁ ଆଣିଲା training manuals and stayed up late at nights. ହେଲା? ଚେଇଁଲା ରାତି ଯାଏ reading them. ସେଟା ସବୁ ପଢିଲା training manuals. ହେଲା? He he badgered the instructors with questions. Badgered ମାନେ କଣ ସେ ବୋଧେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବେଶୀ ବେଶୀ ପଚାରିଲା questions ଆଚ୍ଛା he drilled with enthusiasm drilled ମାନେ ବେଶୀ ଭିତରକୁ ପଡିବା and on marches route marches ମାନେ drilled sorry he drilled with enthusiasm drilled ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ୟାୟାମ କରିବା exercise କରିବା ହେଲା so he drilled with enthusiasm and on route marches जो route रे जो march କରାଯାଏ ହେଲା march past କରାଯାଏ ହେଲା route marches he was not only miraculously tireless ହେଲା miraculously ମାନେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟଜନକ ଭାବରେ tireless ମାନେ ସେ tired ହୁଏନି but he infuriated us ହେଲା ଆମକୁ ବରଂ ସେ encourage କରେ with his horrible heartiness ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନା ନାଇଁ so ଆମକୁ ସେ encourage କରେ what about a song chaps ଏମିତି କରେ song ଗୋଟେ ଗାଇଦବା is not greeted politely at the end of 30 miles ହେଲା ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଯେମିତି what about a song chaps ସେ question କରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୀତ ଗାଇବା is not greeted politely ହେଲା ସେଟା ସେ କହିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ସିଏ ସେତିକି ବୋଲି ସେ କହେ ଆମେ କିନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ ଗ୍ରୀଟ କରୁନି ହେଲା is not greeted politely ଆମେ ତାକୁ କହୁ ଏତେ ଆମକୁ କଷ୍ଟ ହେଲାଣି is not greeted politely at the end of 30 miles ହେଲା 30 miles ଗଲା ପରେ ସେ କହିବ ଗୋଟେ ଗୀତ ଗାଇକରି his salute at the pay table was a model to behold ଦେଖିଲା ଭଳିଆ ମଡେଲ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖିଲା ଭଳିଆ ଜିନିଷ ଯେମିତି ମଡେଲ ସବୁ ସାଇନ୍ସ ମଡେଲ ଇଏ ମଡେଲ ଏଟା ଦେଖିଲା ଭଳିଆ ଜିନିଷ କରାଯାଏ ହେଲା he salute at the pay table was a model to behold when officers were in sight he would swing his skinny arms officer ଯଦି ଦେଖିବ ସେ ଆଗରେ ହେଲା he would swing his skinny arms ହେଲା arm ହଲେଇ ହଲେଇ ଯିବ and march to the canteen like a guardsman so canteen ଯାଏ ଯଦି ସେ ଦେଖିବ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଅଫିସର ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପୁରା ହାତ ହଲେଇକି ଯିବ guardsman ଭଳିଆ and a day in and day out he lectured to us ସବୁବେଳେ in his droning okay droning remorseless voice on every aspect of human knowledge understood so droning dr what
droning
so ତାର verb କଣ ହେଇଥିବ droning ର verb କଣ ହେଇଥିବ drone ହେଇଥିବ ନା ନାଇଁ ତା ମାନେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କହିବା ଗୁଣୁଗୁଣୁ ହେଇକିରି କହିବା ହେଲା ସେ ସେମିତି ସେ କହିବ ହେଲା he lectured to us in his droning remorseless voice ହେଲା remorse spelling କୁହ କଣ REMO remorseless voice ହେଲା ମାନେ ସେ କେବେ ଅନୁତାପ କରେନି ରିମୋର୍ସ କରେନି ହେଲା remorseless ହେଲା ସେଇଥିରେ ମାନେ ଟିକେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ଭଏସ ସो ଡ୍ରୋନିଂ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କହିବ ଗୁଣଗୁଣି କରି କହିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ये वॉइस रिमोर्सलेस वॉइस ऑन एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन नॉलेज से कहे से लेक्चर दिए हमको हमको किछ किछ कहे एट फर्स्ट वी हैड ए सर्टेन रेस्पेक्ट फॉर हिम हमें रेस्पेक्ट ताको दउथलु वी हैड ए सर्टेन रेस्पेक्ट हमर थिला सर्टेन रेस्पेक्ट किछि रेस्पेक्ट बट सून वी लिव्ड इन टेरर of his approach सांग सांग कौन हैला we lived in terror of his approach माने से जेमते हमु कथा कहे हमको डर लगे बुझि पालो we tried to hit back at him with clumsy sarcasms and practical jokes हमें ताको भी कहू हैला hit back at him with clumsy sarcasms हमें थट्टा करू ताको practical jokes हैला the professor scarcely noticed हैला सीए तो जानी पारेनी हैला scarcely noticed he was too busy working for his stripe okay so से कौन पाई काम करे he was too busy working for his stripe जेम ता गोटे स्ट्राइप मिलिबो हैला सोल्जर थिया बेले ता गोटे पोजीशन मिलिबो सेति भाई से भीतर हेतिरे लागि था से हम कथा सुनी हमें ताकू ठट्टा करू बेले बेले हैला each time one of us made a mistake the professor would publicly correct him सीए जदि मिस्टेक कला से समस्त आयर कह दबो ए तोर या हला पब्लिकली he would publicly correct him whenever one of us is shown okay हम भीतर जदि के आगे आसीबो जे कहिया को चाहिबो दी प्रोफेसर आउटशोन हिम से ता ऊपर कहि कि ताकू दबे दबो हला when all after a hard morning's work of cleaning out our hut हैला हम जो थिलु हट रे सेटा को जतले हम सफा करू we listened in silence to the orderly officers praise हैला से प्रेज करे orderly officer से दिन रे जे ऑफिसर कौन प्रेज करे काहागु the professor would break out with a ringing dutifully beaming thank you sir acha so we listened in silence to orderly officers praise हैला so हमें ताको जतले सुनु थाउ the professor would break out सीए संग संग चिल्लेबो हैला सेते बेले with a ringing dutifully beaming हैला तेज रे कहबो हैला कोन कहबो थैंक यू सर हैला ई कथाटा कहबो and how superior how condescending he was हैला and how superior how condescending he was बुझिपाल थैंक यू सर कहबो थैंक यू सर and how superior how condescending he was it was always let me show you fellow or no you will ruin your rifle that way old man हैला so से कहबो how से कहबो thank you sir and how superior how condescending he was ए जिनसटा भी से देखेबो How superior? He is how much superior? How condescending? How he is looking down upon? Huh? Everything. ଏଟା ସେ ଦେଖେଇବ ହେଲା it was always ସେ କହିବ ସବୁବେଳେ କଣ କହିବ let me show you fellow or no you will ruin your life rifle that way ruin ତୁ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିଦବୁ ତୋ rifle that way old man ଏମିତି ସବୁ ସେ କହିବ କିଏ ପ୍ରଫେସର ହେଲା ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ we used to pride ourselves on aircraft recognition किए भल एयरक्राफ्ट रिकॉग्नाइज करुची once out for a walk he heard the drone of a plane flying high overhead drone of a plane flying high overhead drone टा कौन कही नथिले कि कौन कौन ड्रोनिंग टा माने कौन तार गुणगुण ही कहवा नहीं कि साउंड ओके सेटा वर्ब टा एटा कौन दला पूरा सेंटेंस कौन
We had the drone of a plane.
ड्रोन ये भी ड्रोन हला भी साउंड ड्रोन माने साउंड ऑफ प्लेन हला कोला हां we heard the drone of a plane it भी sound plane flying high overhead once out for a walk हमें जाऊ छु चल चली we heard it we heard the sound none of us could even see it in the glare of the sun सूर्य किरण रे के देखि पाइलेनी ताकू without even a glance upward ऊपर से अन्य नहीं जमा हैला प्रोफेसर announced से announce कला कोन that of course is a North American Howard trainer से कह देला एटा Howard trainer येटा it can be unmistakably identified by the harsh engine note harsh engine note माने जो इंजन रो जो वॉइस टा ड्यू टू द हाई टिप स्पीड ऑफ द एयर स्क्रू से एटा निजे कहूची इट कैन बी अनमिस्टेकेबली आइडेंटिफाइड केमिति बिना भूल रे आइडेंटिफाई होबो बाय द हार्श इंजन नोट ओके ये जो हार्श इंजन नोट जो टिके साउंड टा हार्श अछि हला फाइन नहीं ड्यू टू द हाई टिप स्पीड ऑफ द एयर स्क्रू जैसे कहला हाई टिप स्पीड ऑफ द एयर स्क्रू कौन पे एटा होची सो ए जिंसटा से पूरा बुझे छी हला व्हाट कुड ए गैंग ऑफ लाउड्स like us do with a man like that okay हमको से कहूची जे हमें गोटे गैंग ऑफ लाउड्स अंडरस्टूड सो गैंग ऑफ लाउड्स लाइक अस हमें सब डू विथ ए मैन लाइक दैट सो हमें तक केमती हमें सब बड़े ता कौन हमें हूँ ऑकवर्ड फेलो अबागिया लोक गाँवली लोक सेटा गोटे माने पूरा सब जानी है सो व्हाट कुड ए गैंग ऑफ लाउड्स आमे गोटे एमतिया गैंग आमे किछि बेसी जानिनु लाइक अस डू विथ ए मैन लाइक दैट सो आमे सब तो हारिबु ताठू नॉन ऑफ अस विल एवर फॉरगेट द ड्राउजी समर आफ्टरनून ड्राउजी ओके summer afternoon which was such a turning point in the professor's life रे सेटा turning point हे गला गोटे मोड़ we were drowsy कोन निद लगे ड्राउजी नॉट वेरी एक्टिव है अच्छा वी वर स्प्रॉलिंग 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 माने लाइंग विथ आर्म्स एंड लेग्स आउटस्ट्रेच्ड माने पूरा सोइथिलु पूरा गोड़ हाथ लंबेई करी वी वर स्प्रॉलिंग कंटेंटेडली माने हमें पूरा शांति रे सोइथिलु कंटेंटेड हैला on the warm grass while corporal Turnbull ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକଟେ was taking a lesson on the hand grenade so ସେ hand grenade ଭିତରେ ଉପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଦଉଥିଲା ହେଲା we are sprawling ମାନେ ଆମେ ପୁରା ଗୋଡ଼ ହାତ ଲମ୍ବେଇ ବସିଥିଲୁ ଶୋଇ ମାନେ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲୁ ଆଉ ହେଲା ଶୋଇ ନଥିଲୁ ନିଦରେ we are sprawling contentedly ମାନେ ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ଆରାମରେ on the warm grass ହେଲା while Corporal Turnbull was taking a lesson on the hand grenade ଶିଖଉଥିଲା ସେ ହେଲା କେମିତି ମାରିବ Corporal Turnbull was a young man but he was not a man to be trifled with ମାନେ to play with or to fool around with ତେଣୁ ତାକୁ ତମେ ବୋକା ବନେଇ ପାରିବନି ବୁଝିପାରିଲ he was not a man to be trifled with he had come back from ହେଲା Dunkirk with all his equipment correct and accounted for and his kitten in his pocket okay so तार सब जिनस ठीक ठाक से आनथिला he had come back from Dunkirk with all his equipment correct सब correctly आनथिला and accounted for माने गणी के आनथिला and his kitten in his pocket kitten गोटे भी आनथिला he was our hero and we used to tell each other that he was so tough माने बहुत strong लोकटा that you could hammer nails into him without his noticing it हैला तादर कंटा बाडेले भी से देखिबोनी हैला माने कि जानिबोनी the outside of a grenade as you can see Corporal Turnbull was saying se kon कहउतला outside of grenade is divided up into large number of fragments to assist segmentation so बहुत गुडे fragments खंड अछि ताकू तमे भांगी परियो segmentation so good a grenade 44 हैला so 44 बोली ଗୋଟେ आंसर देला what is that the corporal looked over his shoulder पछुको नहीं पचलला 44 कोन रे what is that 44 segments the professor beamed at him professor ताको अनेला professor beamed at अने की कहला कोन कहला 44 segments अछि सर corporal said nothing but his brow tightened ହେଲା he opened his mouth to resume पुणी कहला and by the way corporal were all thunderstruck and by the way corporal ତେଣୁ we were all thunderstruck एटा से कहूची के रिज्यूम कला के से जो corporal and by the way corporal oh sorry and by the way corporal के कहूची corporal को कमे दियंतु by the way कमे दियंतु अधा कर and by the way corporal we were thunderstruck माने आमे we were by the way corporal के कहउतला से ता ये जो ये पिलाटा ये जो ये कहूची किए प्रोफेसर हैला एंड बाय द वे कॉर्पोरल को कहूची यदि कहिया को चाहूची हैला द प्रोफेसर वाज स्पीकिंग अगेन एट एक्चुअली वी वर अ थंडरस्ट्रक आ कोन हबो बोले आमे भाबुछु से कोन कहला ताले बाय द वे कॉर्पोरल shouldn't you have started off with the five characteristics of the grenade ग्रेनेड रो 5 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स तो आगो कहता ना हैला देखो येटा shouldn't you have started off with the 5 characteristics of the grenade ग्रेनेड रो आगो 5 characteristics तो कहनो our instructor at the other camp always used to do that you know ताको ये कथाटा से कहला in the silence that followed a dark flush stained the tan of the corporal's face color in the silence that followed तापर समस्ते silent अछन ना that followed तापर जो silence हला a dark flush हला ताको खराब लागिला stained the tan of the corporal's face हला ता face रे टिके ये माने टिके ये गला कोन सेटे रागी गला here he said at last you give this lecture hela as if afraid to say once anymore he tossed the grenade to this professor hela taru फोपाडला hela quite unabashed माने unashamed Private Quelch climbed to his feet and with the attitude of a man coming into his birthright gave us an unexceptionable lecture on this grenade. Oh, sorry. Say to कहला here, corporal कहला here, he said at last, you give this lecture. As if afraid to say any more, he tossed the grenade to the professor. Oh, tossed the grenade. माने से कोची grenade टा से कहिबा को से कहला here you give this lecture. से कहला तू आसी quite unabashed. से आसला कहिबा को के professor. Private Quelch climbed up to his feet. ओ से आसला माने से टॉस्ट कला द ग्रेनेड टू द प्रोफेसर है ना प्रोफेसर को ग्रेनेड विषय ग्रेनेड टा ताको दला अच्छा प्राइवेट क्वेल्च क्लाइम टू हिज फीट एंड विथ द एटीट्यूड ऑफ ए मैन क्लाइमिंग टू हिज बर्थराइट ए कमिंग टू हिज बर्थराइट जेमति ता बर्थराइट हला gave us a unexceptionable lecture गोटे असाधारण lecture on the grenade ऊपर से गोटे भलो lecture देला the squad listened in cowed माने subdued squad माने आमे पूरा टीम listened in a cowed माने चुपचाप horrified kind of silence. Corporal Turnbull stood and watched, impassive, except for a searching intentness of gaze. When the lecture was finished, he said, "Thank you, Private Quelch. Fall in with the others now." तांको संगे छिड़ाओ fall in माने तांको संगे छिड़ाओ है ना He did not speak again until we had fallen in. How से कोई नहीं मैं पूरा समझते लाइन छिड़ा आलू we fallen in and we are waiting to be dismissed. है ना से कोई नहीं किसी कोई नहीं जो पर्यंत हमको से हमें छिड़ा आलू तापर हमको से कहला डिसमिस कला मतलब तमें हम कहला तुमरो सरला बोली हैला then he addressed us तापर से हम कहला कौन as some of you may have heard ହେଲା the platoon officer has asked me to nominate one of you for ହେଲା ସେ କହିଲା ତମକୁ ଭିତରୁ ଜଣକୁ ମତେ ବାଛିବାକୁ କହିଛି କିଏ ପ୍ଲାଟୁନ ଅଫିସର he paused and looked lingeringly up ହେଲା ଟିକେ ଡେରି କରିକିରି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲା up and down the ranks ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ up and down the ranks ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ranks ଦେଖିଲା as if seeing final confirmation of decision as if seeking ଯେମିତି ଚାହୁଁଛି seeking final confirmation ଗୋଟେ final confirmation ଚାହୁଁଛି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରେ ସେ ଦବ କନଫର୍ମ କରିବ ମାନେ କୋଉଟା ପୁରା କରେକ୍ଟଲି କହିବ ତାର ଡିସିଜନ of the decision so this was the great moment most of us could not help glancing at private quilts ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ତା ଆଡେ ନ ଚାହିଁକି ରହିପାରିଲୁନି ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ ମାନେ ଚାହିଁବା could not help glancing ମାନେ ଆମେ ନ ଚାହିଁକି ରହିପାରିଲୁନି ହେଲା who stood rigidly to attention ସେ ପୁରା and stared straight in front of him with an expression of self-conscious ହେଲା innocence ଯେମିତି ଭଦ୍ର ଭଳିଆ ଛିଡା ହେଇଯିବ ଅନେଇକିରି ଗଲା for permanent cookhouse duties ହେଲା for ଏଇଠି ସେ କହୁଛି ... ମାଇଲା permanent cookhouse duty ହେଲା I have decided that private quilts is just the man for the job cook house duty କରିବ ହେଲା ସେ କହିଦେଲା ଏଠି private quilts of course it was a joke for days afterwards ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପଳିଆ a joke and a joy to all of us ହେଲା ଆମେ ସବୁ କହିଲୁ ହଁ joke ଆଉ joy ଆମେ ଯାଉ ସେ ରାନ୍ଧିବ ବସିକି ହେଲା I remember though ଆଚ୍ଛା my friend Trevor and I talking about it a few days later we were talking about it ଆମେ ତା ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହଉଥିଲୁ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ହେଲା we were returning from the canteen to our hut ଆମେ ଆସୁଥିଲୁ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟିନ ରୁ ଫେରୁଥିଲୁ ହେଲା through the open door we could see the three cooks standing against the wall as if at bay ଯେମିତି ବେ ମାନେ ସମୁଦ୍ର କୂଳରେ ଛିଡା ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା କିଏ through the open door ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲୁ and from within came the monotonous beat of a familiar voice ତାପରେ ସେ ଭିତରୁ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଟୋନ ଆସୁଛି really I must protest against this abominably unscientific and unhygienic method of peeling potatoes ସେଇ କଥାଟା ସେ କହୁଛି କିଏ ପ୍ରଫେସର really I must protest against this abominably unscientific abominably ମାନେ not good ହେଲା not unscientific जो unscientific and unhygienic way ରେ potato peel କରା ହଉଛି ଛଡା ହଉଛି ସେଇଟାକୁ ସେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ protest କରିବି I need to only draw your attention to the sheer waste of vitamin values I need to only draw your attention to the sheer waste जो waste होची vitamin values एडा से कहूची हैला we fled आमे सुनिकरी पळेलु हैला प्रोफेसर एंदी कहउथिला आमे सुनिकरी पळेलु हैला ए तार ताका विषय कथा होची कोठी सेही किचन भितरे हैला କଥା ହଉଛି ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆଉ ଏ ଶୁଣିଲେ ମାନେ ଏବାଟେ ଆସୁଥିଲେ ଶୁଣିଲେ ଶୁଣିକିରି ହେଠୁ ପଳେଇଲେ ହେଲା।